YouTube has become an excellent platform to get updates and insights into the latest trends in fashion, entertainment, education, and especially technology. Now, from smartphones to laptops, gaming to software, YouTubers have made it very easier for us to understand and experience technology in an interesting dimension. Now, with so many tech YouTubers and YouTube channels out there, it can be hard to find the right ones to follow. That's why we put together a list of the best tech YouTubers or tech YouTube channels you should be watching right now. Now, in the meantime, kindly check out our website on www.techiebytes.com for interesting tech content, and don't forget to also subscribe to this channel. Coming in at number 1 on our list is Marquis Brownlee, also known as Mokbad. Now, Marquis is one of the most popular tech YouTubers and content creators in the world right now. Now, he has been active on YouTube since 2008. Now, his content is focused on in-depth reviews of smartphones, laptops, wearables, cameras, and other tech gadgets. With over 70 million subscribers, he has built a loyal fan base who trusts his unbiased and honest opinions on technology. Now, Brownlee has become such a popular figure in the mobile tech industry because of his expertise and credibility, especially about user experience. Now, at only 21 years old, he was named one of the best technology reviewers on the planet right now by a Google VP and gained a strong standing on YouTube ever since. Now, he is known for his objective and honest reviews, which are based on his extensive knowledge and experience in the field. Brownlee is also very active on social media, where he shares behind the scenes glimpses of his content creation process and interacts with his followers. Now, moving on to the next YouTube channel that I'll be talking about today is Unboxed Therapy. Now, one channel that stands out on YouTube when it comes to mobile phones reviews and consumer tech is the Unboxed Therapy YouTube channel. Now, the channel was created by Linus and he has grown to become one of the most influential tech channels on YouTube. With over 18 million subscribers, Unboxed Therapy has successfully leveraged its web presence to become a top tech influencer. Now, the Unboxed Therapy YouTube channel covers a wide range of topics with a focus on mobile tech, consumer tech, and unboxing videos. Now, the channel's content is engaging and informative, making it a go-to source for anyone looking to keep up with the latest tech trends in the world. Austin Evans is another tech YouTuber who specializes in providing unbiased and detailed reviews of smartphones, laptops, and other gadgets. Now, his channel covers a wide range of topics including technology, gaming, and gadget reviews. Evans uploaded his first video in 2009 when a friend recommended he make an app review using video and post it on YouTube. Since then, Austin has grown into being one of the most recognized tech YouTubers with over 5 million subscribers and billions of views. Austin Evans' channel has become a go-to source for tech enthusiasts and casual viewers alike. Now, he has a unique style of presenting information that is different from other YouTubers, which makes his content both engaging and easy to understand. Overall, the Austin Evans YouTube channel is a must-watch for anyone interested in the latest tech trends in technology and gaming. Linus Tech Tips. If you are a fan of technology and all things computer related, then you've likely heard of the Linus Tech Tips YouTube channel. Now, Linus Tech Tips was created by Linus Sebastian in 2008, and since then it has grown to become one of the most popular tech channels on YouTube. This channel has over 15.2 million subscribers on YouTube, and it is the go-to source for all things tech with a focus on reviews, tutorials, and general tech news. The channel is definitely a must-watch for anyone who wants to stay up to date on the latest tech trends and products. Now, with its engaging content, commitment to quality, and charismatic host, Linus Tech Tip is the gold standard for tech channels on YouTube. Moving on to Mr. Who is the Boss. Aaron Mining is one of the top tech YouTubers in the world right now. Now, he's known as Mr. Who is the Boss and runs the biggest tech channel in the UK, with Mr. Who is the Boss having over 15.2 million subscribers. Mr. Who is the Boss focuses mainly on reviews and comparisons of smartphones. Now, he has been recognized by top media platforms such as Huffington Post, The Daily Telegraph, and Business Insider, receiving praise for his contributions to YouTube's tech sector. And this all comes from a man who studied economics but has a deep passion for technology. Moving on to iJustine.
Ooh, this is a little too moody for my taste. Let's spice it up a little. It looks so good. Oh man, this is great. Now, I have gone through many studio setups over the course of my YouTube career, which is about 17 years. Like, that's a really long time to be making content. So my studio setups have gone through many, many changes. The one that you're currently looking at right now, I got this space about 1.5 years ago, and everything happened so quickly.
iJustine, also known as Justine Iseric, is a top female tech YouTuber who covers a wide range of topics, including gaming, smartphones, and other tech gadgets. Justine has been creating content on the platform for over a decade with over 7 million subscribers. Now, she's currently one of the biggest female content creators on the internet. Her channel features a wide range of content, including tech reviews, unboxings, vlogs, and many more. Now, iJustine's engaging personality and relatable content have helped her gain a loyal following, and she's even been recognized by mainstream media outlets for her success on YouTube. She has also been invited to participate in many famous TV series like Law and Order, The Vampire Diaries, and Criminal Minds. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or you simply enjoy watching entertaining content, iJustine's channel is definitely worth checking out. Now, moving on to the next channel that I'll be recommending to you today is The Verge. The Verge is a popular tech website that incorporates a lot of videos together with their text articles. Now, they are known to be one of the first to get hands-on experience with the latest gadgets and create content videos to prove it. You can enjoy their daily 90 seconds on The Verge video where they talk about the day's most popular tech news. Moving on to Mr. Mobile. Hosted by Michael Fisher, is a YouTube channel that covers smartphones, laptops, and other tech products. With over 1.2 million subscribers, his channel features in-depth reviews of the latest smartphones, tablets, laptops, and other tech gadgets. Now, Mr. Mobile's unique style of storytelling and attention to detail makes his videos stand out in a crowded feed of tech reviewers on YouTube. Now, in addition to product reviews, his channel also features informative videos on various topics related to technology, such as how to improve smartphone battery life or how to choose the right headphones for yourself. Now, if you are looking for insightful and entertaining tech reviews, Mr. Mobile's channel is definitely worth checking out. Now, moving on to Android Authority. Based on the name of this YouTube channel, you will expect lots of Android related news. Now, they have a lot of review videos that focus on most of the latest Android smartphones and tablets. Now, you can also find on this channel videos where they compare two popular Android devices from different manufacturers to help you decide on which smartphone to buy. Now, moving on to Mobile Geeks. Now the channel is named Mini PC Pro, but they refer to themselves as Mobile Geeks, and they basically offer reviews of the latest mobile products, including smartphones, tablets, ultrabooks, and portable gaming devices. Now, moving on to the next channel that I will be recommending or I'll be sharing with you today on the show is Visaya Fosu.
As a much younger person, I've always wanted to make tech videos on the internet, and I've put my best effort into making this dream come true. Since I published my first video 7 years ago and this 350th video today, I've reviewed over 150 smartphones. You've watched my videos over 70 million times here on YouTube, and you've empowered me to make so many exciting videos. I was just alone in my room in a corridor with a 1080p camera, and now we've grown into a creative group of people, and we've reached a significant milestone: 500,000 subscribers.
Now, Visaya Fosu is one of the leading tech YouTubers, not just in Nigeria, but in Africa. Now, on his channel, you are going to find exciting and informative tech videos. Also, he does presentations on reviews of smartphones from popular brands in the country. Now, you will also find reviews of other gadgets, tutorials, and buyer guides. Now, the professionality in his videos is very, very lucid. Now, his video content have fantastic sound and visual quality. Visaya's YouTube channel has almost 1 million subscribers and rapidly growing. He also has more than 16 million views since starting the channel. And moving on to another tech YouTube channel that I will be recommending for you is TechCrunch. TechCrunch is yet another tech website that has ventured into making video content for their readers. Now, videos on their channel include exclusive interviews and the latest tech related news around the world. Now, some of TechCrunch's videos feature tech talk shows, interviews, exclusive content relating to tech and its effect on the world. Now, moving on to the last but not the least that I'll be recommending to you when it comes to tech YouTube channels on YouTube is Ty's iPhone. Now, Ty's iPhone Help talks a lot about Apple's range of products, including the iPhone, the iPad, the iPod, iMac, and the MacBook Pro. Now, other than just Apple products, he also reviews similar products on the market that are competing against Apple. So if you want to learn or know anything about Apple products or services, you can definitely check out Ty's iHelp channel on YouTube. Now, in conclusion, there are lots of great tech YouTube channels out there that are doing very well, but these are definitely few of the best tech YouTubers and tech YouTube channels channels you should be watching right now. Now, with their unbiased and honest opinions, you can trust them to provide you with the latest insights into the world of technology. I hope you enjoyed this particular episode. Don't forget to click like and share this video. You can also check us out on our website on www.techiebytes.com. Till next time that will be here again. Thank you very much for watching.